This Samsung 32GB DDR5 laptop memory module delivers very high data rates, giving modern notebooks a noticeable boost in responsiveness for multitasking and demanding applications. Its dual-rank design and generous capacity make it well-suited for content creation, light gaming, and running many browser tabs or virtual machines without slowdowns. Operating at a standard 1.1 volt, it runs efficiently and helps keep thermals under control, which is especially important in thinner laptops. The compact 262-pin small outline form factor ensures straightforward installation in most current notebooks that support DDR5 memory. Being non-error correcting and unbuffered, it is tuned for consumer and professional laptops where speed and low latency are more important than server-grade features. Backed by Samsung's strong track record as a major memory manufacturer, this module offers reliable performance for users looking to extend the usable life of their systems.